Hello friends, welcome to this video. I am Dr.N.Namasivayam. Today we are going to learn an interesting and important topic, namely major waterfalls in India, highly useful for competitive and government examinations. The highest waterfall in the world is Angel Waterfalls with a height of 3,212 feet. It is located in Venezuela of South America. The highest waterfall in India is Vajrai Waterfall with a height of 1,840 feet. It is located in Star district of Maharashtra. In Tamil Nadu, the highest waterfall is the Thalayar Waterfalls with a height of 940 feet. Tamil Nadu is number one, or Tamil Nadu stands first in terms of total number of waterfalls. There are 45 waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand, is known as City of Waterfalls. Chitrakoot Waterfalls in Chhattisgarh can be described as Niagara Waterfalls of India because of its horseshoe shape, H-O-R-S-E, horseshoe shape. So it is called Niagara Falls of India. Chitrakoot Waterfalls can also be known as widest waterfall in India. It is 100 feet high, 1,000 feet wide. So it is the widest waterfall in India. In India, there are 5 types of waterfalls. The first one, plunge waterfall. Plunge means water flows downwards or vertically and falls on the plunge pool on the rock surface. That's called plunge type. The best example, Nokkalikai Waterfall with a height of 1,115 feet. It is located in Khasi Hills of Meghalaya state, and it is the best example for plunge type of waterfall, and it is the highest plunge type of waterfall. Followed by Jog Falls. It is located in Simago district of Karnataka. The height of the fall is 830 feet, and it is the second highest plunge type of waterfall. The next one, namely Horse-tail Waterfall. Thalayar Waterfalls in Tamil Nadu is the best example for Horse-tail Waterfall. It is located in Palani Hills in Dindigul district of Tamil Nadu. The height of the waterfall is 940 feet. The next type, namely segmented waterfall. The best example is Kunjikal Waterfalls. It is located in Simago district of Karnataka. The height of the waterfall is 1,493 feet. Next one, Cascade Waterfall. Cascade means small or short, one meaning. Another meaning, series of waterfalls. The best example for small or short waterfall, Silver Cascade Waterfall on the way to Kodaikanal Hill Station. Another example, Jog Falls. At the same time, we can give one more example, Ogenakal Waterfall. Why we say Ogenakal Waterfall is a cascade series of waterfall. Ogenakal, 2 words. Hog means smoke. Nakal means rock. So smoke, rock, 2 words joined together, Ogenakal. It is located in Tamil Nadu, and it is the best example for cascade waterfall. And it is described as Niagara Fall of Tamil Nadu. Next one, cataract waterfall. Cataract means powerful waterfall, magnificent waterfall. The best example, Joke Falls. It is situated in Simago district of Karnataka, and best example not only for plunge type of waterfall but also for cataract type of waterfall, because it is a magnificent waterfall and one of the most beautiful waterfalls in India. So these are the various aspects relating to major waterfalls in India. See you in the next video with other interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.